And we made it through another week, and it is Friday. It is the Bubba Show. It is Commodity Corner. So here we are, and a funny thing happened last week on the way to selling off the commodities. We had an agricultural number, and the grain markets ran up like crazy. And I'm going to tell you here that you're going to get, in any type of market that's starting to sell off, you're always going to get some vicious rallies. I'm going to tell you here that I believe that the grains and commodities are meant to be sold now. I'm telling you, I've seen these markets develop before. I think that you want to look to be an overall seller. You want to look at corn at that 775, 780 level as a spot to sell. You want to look at soybeans just over the $16 level. You know, look, these markets, all the news is built in to these markets. Everything has been said that's going to be said. So what we have to focus on is how to trade them properly. So we want to look for opportunities to take advantage. And when you get these spike moves, you get these markets, these big volatile up moves, and then market that starts to go down, we want to look for opportunity there. Looking at the oil market, as you can tell, that oil, although it had a late rally at the end of last week, has come off quite a bit since that 100, and we said that oil looked to be coming down. We want to look to continue to sell spots for oil. Because again, we talk about this. If you talk about a supply-demand issue, first of all, the technical trend is now lower. So really, to find a spot in oil to sell would be great. Fundamentally, we're oversupplied. You want to look for spots to sell. Gold has been in a very tight congestion range, trying to pierce that 1800 and then yet coming off and coming back down to that 1750 level. I think gold probably stays in that congestion level. So what do we want to look at? So for the week, I think that the stock market will be lower. I think that the soft commodity market will be lower. I think that oil will be lower, and I think gold will probably still be in this some sort of congestion pattern. So, you know, these are things we're going to watch. Let's focus on the market. Let's keep our eye on the ball. Let's make sure we don't predict. We react to the market. For Friday, the Bubba Show. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll talk to you on Monday. Take care.